This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Ecosport belt. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a serpentine belt tool, a socket set, and of course, a new belt. Safety is key, so make sure your engine is cool and the vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. It's also helpful to find the belt routing diagram, usually under the hood, before you begin. Now, let's remove the old belt. Locate the tensioner pulley. This is the component that keeps the belt tight. Using your serpentine belt tool, apply pressure to rotate the tensioner, which will release the tension on the belt. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the old belt off all the pulleys, paying close attention to its original routing path. With the old belt off, it's time to install the new one. Refer to your routing diagram and carefully thread the new belt around all the pulleys, leaving the tensioner pulley for last. Double-check that the belt is perfectly seated in every groove. Then, use your serpentine belt tool to once again relieve tension on the tensioner, allowing you to easily slip the new belt onto that final pulley. Before you finish, perform some crucial final checks. Slowly release the tensioner to allow the new belt to fully tension. Visually inspect the entire belt path, ensuring it's perfectly aligned and seated in all the pulley grooves. Finally, start your engine for a moment. Listen carefully for any squealing or unusual noises, which could indicate an issue with the installation. If all sounds good, you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.